Good afternoon.
No.
Okay, so we will identify the letters and then the sounds. And of course, who is this? The animal friend. Yes, Ellie, elephant. So are you ready? Let's see if we could still remember our animal friend last quarter. Yes? Are you ready?
Yes.
Thumbs up if you are ready. Good job. So what letter is this?
E.
Sound? Sound of the letter E? Very good. Who is this? Ellie, elephant. Wait lang. Wait lang. Who is that? That is, again, Felix. Very good. Felix Fox read. Very good. And what letter is this?
F.
Letter F. Very good. Who is this? Look at this. Look at the flashcard. Who is this?
Rabbit.
Ricky.
Ricky Rabbit.
Very good. Ricky Rabbit. Ricky Rabbit reads. Very good. And what letter is this?
R.
Good job. What about this one? Who is this?
Antelope.
Abby.
Antelope.
Abby Antelope reads. Very good. And what letter is this? What letter?
A.
Very good. This one. What letter is it? Who is this? Who is this? Milton. Mule. Milton Mule. That will help me. Okay, hands on your side. Milton. Mule. 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 Very good. Milton Mule reads. Very good. And what letter is this?
N.
M. Bucky. Buffalo. Very good. Bucky Buffalo reads. Very good. And what letter is this?
B.
Good job. Who is this? Davy.
Duck.
Davy Duck reads. What letter is this?
D.
Very good. This one. Who is this? Who is this? Nikki. Nightingale. Nightingale. Okay, Nightingale. Nikki Nightingale reads. Very good. And what letter is this?
N.
Good job. Look at the flashcard. Sandy.
Goldfish.
Sunfish. Sandy Sunfish reads. What letter is this?
S.
Again?
S.
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 Look at my teeth. S. Like that. S. Very good, Natalie. Wow, just well done. Okay, wait muna ha.